Hi guys, this is OofyTrader. In this short video, I'm going to talk about how to trade quickly scalp based on the EMA strategy. Okay, whatever I'm going to talk in this video, consider this is just for learning purpose. I'm not a financial advisor. I wanted to make it very clear on this video. Think just like this is a pinch of salt from my side. Let's learn each other, and if you have something good, interesting, EMA strategy, you can also post your video comments as part of comment in my video. Thank you. So let's come back. So first of all, I'm going to talk about how to avoid the noise, because in the further video I'm going to talk about how to trade towards the uptrend and how to trade towards the downtrend. But before that, let's talk about how to avoid the complete noise. So though I'm going to talk about EMA based trading for uptrend as well as the downtrend, here is how I avoid the noise. I use histogram as one of the key indicator for taking a decision. So histogram uses two indicators actually. One is the white line, another is the red line. So basically this line changes over the time based on the momentum and the supply demand pressure. But when this red line comes below the white line, which I will be talking shortly, and then when this green line coming above the white line, that also I'm going to talk very shortly in this video. But when there is no confirmation, because you see here this area, when white line as well as this red line or green line is just staying together, and this line considered as a zero line, when this line staying together, that's where I need to avoid completely, because I don't know which direction it is going. Very clearly follow this one. If this is staying together, let's avoid this one. All of you know EMA strategy is basically known as the exponential moving average. I have a couple of indicators, but two indicators I'm going to focus. One is EMA based indicator, which is 200 EMA, 100 EMA, and this one is 50 EMA. This one is 20 EMA, which is a color dynamically changing. And then this tiny line is 9 EMA, and this color is the hipster cloud based on the EMA again. But this one is histogram. The pattern how to trade is normally when the stock price stays above all those EMA, basically this 20 EMA stays green, and then this cloud stays green, it's considered as bullish. But that's not the final confirmations. To get the confirmation, again I consider these blue candles are staying above the line, so that it gives an indication it's going up. However, when this green line, it should be red before, or it will be down, but as long as it turns green and above the white line, I consider this as a bullish trend and continue holding my long positions all the way until here. This line doesn't indicate me to trade, but it gives me a vibe. So here it tells, okay, it's going to slow down, so I can hold all the way here, and here I can nicely come out. This is one of the bullish indications. Here is the quick example when stock literally going down. All those price movement is below all those EMA. So everything is going towards the downtrend. As long as it's less than the 20 EMA, I consider this is a downtrend. And the second confirmation is over the histogram, when the candles are towards the downtrend, it's going down. Third confirmations, when the red line coming below the white line, it always stays below the white line, that's considered as one of the bearish sentiments. Exactly how to get a confirmation. So as long as we get a sell signal, let's look at all those EMAs are very systematically in a symmetric way. They are everything in a systematic way, it is going down, and this red line is going down the white line, and this is a downturn. I consider blindly and sell towards the downtrend. As long as I get the green indication here, I literally come out. So second confirmation, also I look into few of my other candles, which I will share in some other video, but again it gives me a clear understanding this stock is going down actually. And this line, when it stays red, that also gives me a clear understanding this stock is going downtrend. But rather waiting for a long time, I just enter here, and then most of the time I come out because I see a green here. I don't know which direction. And here if you see from the big lower candle all the way, it's coming towards the closer to this zero line. So that's where I scared, because it started taking momentum, it might go upwards. So before I lose all of my profits, I take an exit from here. This is the downtrend indications. Yeah, here is one more example. Hoodie went down today. I started getting the signal from here. As soon as I got the downtrend signal, basically this red dot line, it's giving me the vibes, but it's not giving the confirmations. When I see all those systematically, all those EMA forming down and stock is went down, literally below the 9 EMA, and then this 20 EMA is red, I consider blindly it's going down. However, to get a double confirmations, these candles are also towards the down formations, and this red line is towards the down to the white line. I can completely hold all the way here until I get the green candle, immediately I come out. I don't trade this one because prices is down the EMA, so I consider this one as a downtrend, so I literally ignore this candle. Rather, I wait for another indication which is going to tell me the stock is going to go down. So in this indication, how I get confirmation, these red dot lines are already forming towards the down all the way here, and then these big green candles here, literally the blue candles, all are started slowing down. It's coming towards the zero line. So most of the time when this zero line starts, I just take a positions here because I saw the red indication here. I can wait all those here, but it's nicely forming, it's going down. All the way I can hold here, or here I can take exit. So this is the downtrend.